Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Tonkeeper wallet to Yescoin. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go into Telegram and actually look for the Yescoin bot. So here you can see it's in the top three. So the very top one is the Yescoin _ bot, and you can see the Tonkeeper or the Ton symbol next to it. So we're just going to select that one. Okay, and then here you can see it's going to want you to start the actual game. So we're just going to press start. Okay, so then we're going to hit this message where it's then going to obviously want us to start playing the game. So we just select play. Okay, and then to launch the web app, you'll be connected to its website. So we just press launch. Okay, so that's just loading at the minute. And then we're now actually into Yescoin. So I'm just going to start playing for a moment. And then what it's going to do is actually appear with ways to actually earn more coins or Yescoin. So you've obviously got to join the Telegram group, follow them on Twitter. And then if we just scroll down, we can then see we've got Connect Wallet, and that will give you 500 coins. So if we just select that, and then at the top, we've got then Connect to Ton Wallet. And here you just want to select Open Wallet in Telegram, or you can even do your Tonkeeper there on the left-hand side. So I'm just going to select that and then press yes. And here will then appear Connect your Yescoin wallet, and then we're just going to connect the wallet. It may ask you for your passcode or your Face ID, so just let it do that, and then it should actually be connected. If we just look at the top, it's connecting it because it's going round, so it's thinking about it, and now we can see our address, so it's actually connected to the wallet. Okay, so that is literally how to connect Tonkeeper to Yescoin.